Bismillah Rahman Rahim. We are studying chapter number 16 of the second year. Today topic is repair of broken bones. Despite of strength, bones can break. During youth, most of the fractures occur due to the fall, accidents and sports injuries, while in old age, most bones break most frequently due to the poor circulation of the blood to the bones. There are some steps that are involved in repair of the broken bones. One is called as reduction, other is called as realignment. In reduction process, the broken bone, reduction process is of two types. One is called as open type reduction, other is called as closed type reduction. In the closed type reduction, a broken bone is coaxed into its original position by the physician hand, and then tracing of the bones done. Then it shows a regular process of the healing after it gets complete in 2 to 3 months. Other reduction is open type reduction. In open type reduction, surgery is performed by the physician and both ends of the broken bones are screwed together by the pins or wires, and then this whole process complete into 8 to 12 weeks or 2 to 3 months. There the following process occur in the repair of broken bone. First process is hematoma formation, second process is soft callus formation, and third process is bony callus formation, and fourth process is remodeling. In hematoma formation, when due to trauma, bones get break. At the site of fracture site, the blood vessels get damage and hemorrhage, internal breaking of blood vessels occur. As a result, a blood clot is formed. This blood clot is known as hematoma, as to show in the figure. Hematoma formation. So this blood clot is called as hematoma. Now second process began. A second process is called soft callus formation. After 3 to 4 weeks, osteoblasts and blood capillaries migrate into the fracture site and clear the debris, and now the bone forming cells, osteoblasts, osteoclasts and osteocytes, osteoblasts, fibroblasts get migrate into the fracture site and divide rapidly, and now it form the callus called as soft callus. Third process is bony callus. After the 4 weeks, the soft callus converted into these osteoblasts, osteoclasts rapidly migrate inward and divide rapidly and convert the soft callus into the bony callus. Remodeling. After the 2 or 3 months, excessive materials get deposits on the bones, over the bones, so that bones respond to the same type of stimuli that was original bone, because it has to carry same type of weight and other activities that was original bone was performing. So the remodeling will be same as that of original bone. Now we'll study the topic called as muscles. Muscles are special type of the cells that are involved in the movements. In vertebrates, in muscles, the special types of proteins are present, such as actin, myosins. Muscles are of three types in the vertebrates animals. These are called as smooth muscles, cardiac muscles, and skeletal muscles. Smooth muscles, these are earliest form of the muscles evolved in the vertebrates. These are found in the visceral organs such as digestive system. These are not in our control. The keyword for these muscles is involuntary, smooth, and visceral. Other type of muscles that are present in vertebrates are cardiac muscles. Cardiac muscles, these are muscles of heart. They form mass of heart. These are long, chain like, with their own nucleus in each chain of cell. Keyword for these are involuntary. Keyword for these muscles is cardiac, involuntary, and striated. Other muscles are the skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles, these are attached with the bones. Their function is to give the movement to the bones. There are, for example, triceps muscles. They bend the elbow joint and they straighten triceps muscles. Triceps muscles straighten the elbow joints, and biceps muscles bend the elbow joints. These muscles have special type of proteins called actin, myosin. They have also bands alternating dark and light bands on it, so they are striated. Keyword for these muscles is striated, involuntary, striated, and skeletal muscles. Thanks for watching.